In an earlier video, I showed how to use these Phoenix contact tools to insert wire ferrules. On top is the Wire Fox 10, and below is the crimper, known as the Crimp Fox. In today's video, we're going to focus on this Phoenix contact Crimp Fox 4-in-1 tool, where we have a wire cutter as number 1, a wire stripper as number 2, 3 twists the wire, and 4 crimps the ferrule onto the wire. Our first step is to insert the wire ferrules into the cartridge. Remove the cartridge, remove the cover, and insert the ferrules. Pushing them forward until the first one is caught in the spring. Reinsert the cover and reinsert the cartridge. As mentioned, this is a 4-in-1 tool. We begin by cutting the wire to length. In this case, I'll just cut off a small piece. We then strip the wire. Next, we take off that small piece by twisting it. From there, we very carefully insert the wire into the ferrule, pushing it all the way in, and then push it forward. You can see the cutter there. The crimp is hidden below, but when it's all done, we have a nicely crimped wire that is not coming off. Let me show you that again. We cut the wire to length. We strip the wire. We twist the wire. We insert the ferrule, pushing it all the way down and then pushing forward. The ferrule is then cut from the strip and crimped deep within the tool itself. Once again, there's the crimped wire, and it is not coming off. This 4-in-1 tool may be useful if you're doing many crimps throughout the day. As you saw, you never have to take your hand off the tool, which is more convenient than using separate tools, which must be set down each time and then individual wire ferrules picked up. Speaking of ferrules, there are different cartridges for different sized ferrules. The only adjustment to make is here to accommodate the different sizes.